Donkey's laughing at me for falling. Good morning. It has been a long time. I think it's been about 2 months since I've been fishing. I've had a lot of stuff going on, but biggest reason is the weather in Phoenix has been hot and it's made me lazy. We've had highs as high as 117, but this weekend we've had a bunch of storms come through. I think the high today is going to be like 90. You know, that's almost 30 degrees cooler than our high of the summer so far, so that's pretty nice. Probably a little humid, but still cool enough to be out here. So I'm at Lake Pleasant. You know, I haven't hit up Lake Pleasant a lot. I'm not a Lake Pleasant expert, so I'm going to try a range of things. I even have a crawfish trap on me, see if maybe I can catch some bait. I'm only going to soak it for probably about an hour and a half, but you know, we'll see if I can get any crayfish and maybe use some of those. I also got chicken liver and corn, so catch some catfish, catch some carp hopefully. So yeah, hopefully next time I'm checking in, I got something exciting going on. All right, I got my crayfish trap here, which is really just a modified minnow trap. I just opened the holes on the end just to allow a little bit of extra room. Got a little bit of chicken liver, and I got a camera in there too. I don't know if it's set up right, so I don't know if we're really gonna be able to see much until it's cloudy. So it might be just a little too dark out to really see what's going on, but we'll see. It'll be fun to try. Hopefully I can heave this pretty well. Ropes away. Here we go. Not super far, but that should work for now. Maybe I'll give it a little bit of time and check it and then reset it. All right, so I know I mentioned being set up for catfish and carp, which I still pretty much am, but when I was walking along this cove, I saw some largemouth kind of hanging out up at the top. So I don't have my usual stuff that I use for largemouth, but I do have this swim bait. So I'm gonna give it a few casts, see if maybe I can hook into one. Oh, he hit it. I think he swiped at it. That or it was just a twig. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've caught a bass. I think what I was using over there was probably just a little too aggressive for such a tight body of water. I think drop shotting is probably what's needed there. You know, if not, live night crawler, which I didn't bring with me. All right, so I don't have my typical stuff with me. So this is my Mickey Mouse drop shot rig. The line that I have on this pole is so heavy, I couldn't even tie the weight on right. So I had to put a swivel at the bottom. But mess around and see if any of these bass are interested. Oh, I had him. There was actually a nice sized bass on there. Holy cow. I thought I was hung up and then I saw the flash of the bass. That's nuts. On this messed up rig. I keep at it. There we go. There we go. Ah, sweet. I lost my worm, but that's awesome. Not very big, but being someone that doesn't use lures very often, that's really exciting. Come on, hook. There it goes. Hopefully I was recording. Yeah, I was. Okay. There you go. He's probably about a pound. Nothing too crazy, but that's that's a real accomplishment for me. There we go. Oh, I think I missed him. Darn. The crawfish trap has been soaking for about an hour. So I'm gonna pull it in and see if we got anything. Not too optimistic. There's crawfish in here, but it's not like some of the other lakes around. I mean, crawfish in the lake is what I mean. It doesn't look like it. Oh, still got a bunch of nasty chicken liver in there. Yeah, nothing. Alright, so I found me a new spot. I was actually hoping to go further this direction, down the shoreline. There's a big sign up there on the hill that says keep out. I don't know why they closed it off, but I know they close off certain areas sometimes because bald eagles are nesting. I don't know if that's what's going on right now, but I want to be respectful of the law. So I'm going to take some chicken liver. I'm just going to chuck it way out there and see if there's any catfish just hanging out that way. And then when I rolled up in this little inlet right here, this little tiny inlet, I saw 3 decent sized fish jump. I don't know what they are. I don't know if they're stripers or largemouth or carp or what they are, but I'm gonna play around right here and hopefully get some more fish. Okay, so I'm all rigged up here. I usually don't go with a treble hook because I don't like getting hung up on stuff, but because I want to cast further, I really want to make sure my bait stays on. Hopefully this works. That's decent. I'm just gonna leave this here and put a bell on and see what comes along. Alright, so wait to see if my chicken liver's worth a ding. I'm gonna just throw this worm some more. The ugliest looking drop shot rig it's ever made. But hey, if it works, it works. Oh, darn. Thought I had him and I probably set the hook into a rock. There it goes. Well, that was a bummer. So, changing plans. Something just massive is boiling way out there. I don't know if I can get my bait far enough, but they look very carp-like, and if they're not carp, they're striped bass. So hopefully they come and get my corn, or stripers will go after my chicken liver. I don't know how obvious it is, but it just started raining about as hard as it has all day. Still pretty warm out, you know, it's in the 70s, so it's not bad. Not sure what this will do to the fishing. We shall see. Oh, that was nice. That was a big carp. Oh, chicken liver's getting pulled. Almost. Almost. Oh, there you go. Stick with it this time. You stay hooked this time? Yeah, there we go. This time he's hooked, whatever it is. I know there's a cliff right there, so I gotta be careful. Is this a carp on chicken liver? Whoa, it's just a catfish. That's a cat. All right, I'll take him. Not very big. There we go. The channel. There it is, safely unhooked. He's probably 14, 16 inches. Nothing too crazy. Get him nice and released here. Swim out. There he goes.
So just some final thoughts. While despite all of the bites I had, I only landed 2. However, this was actually my most productive day ever at Lake Pleasant. Pleasant tends to not really be known for good shore fishing, but I have heard of some having some good success. And I think by experimenting with a range of things, I may be beginning to scratch the surface with what's possible. So I hope to go back soon. Thanks for watching.